I'm gonna epoxy this whole thing into oblivion and cover up all my mistakes.
Hi there and welcome to a seriously ill-advised project.
If you don't know how to build a boat, can you still build a boat?
I am building a Viking ship. And I want to make absolutely clear here that I do not know what I'm doing. I have bought for 1,000 euros in material that I will most likely muck up. Hey darling! Seriously, I had to Google complex nautical terms like mast and rudder. So before you place comments about the keel, rocker or the WDL at waterline, trust me, I don't know what that is. I had a pretty unexpected setback. That was always going to be the back. That was always going to be the front. It's looking good, man. Look. Woo!
I'm not being super precise here. You know, back in the day they built most of these boats using just an axe. And I saw pictures of those guys, they just take an axe and chop the thing into shape. Not getting this at all. How is this happening?
It's a bit of a mix and match situation here.
But I don't know where to start drawing, man. This sucks.